Welcome to this quick tutorial of the Abuti Syllabus intermediate phase. We are going to look at the isiXhosa. However, this applies to the isiZulu, Setswana, Sepedi, and Sesotho as well. What you will see is a common theme that appears in these animations is that we start off with a little bit of revision. So there's a phrase that we want you to teach the students, which goes something like, first, do you remember these words? So let's look at what that looks like in the animation.
Kuqala, ingaba uyawakhumbula lamagama? Phinda emva kwam.
The next section is when we learn new words. So there's the next phrase that we suggest that you teach the students. The narrator says, now let's learn some new words and repeat after me. Again, you can just look at the African language translation on your side. We're using the isiXhosa for this specific tutorial. Let's see what that looks like in the animation.
Ngoku, masifunde amanye amagama amatsha. Phinda emva kwam.
And then it goes into a little quiz section where the narrator asks, okay, now it's your turn. Can you find the correct translation? Is it A, B, C, or D?
Ngoku, lelakho ixesha. Ungayifumana inguqulelo echanekileyo? Ingaba ngu-A, B, okanye u-C?
So again, we suggest that you teach the students these phrases so that they understand what the narrator is saying and that they can engage with the materials more easily.
A.
And then finally, we have a reoccurring phrase that is something like well done or you are correct, depending on the translation of the African language.
Uchanucwethe.
And we almost always end off with the phrase goodbye, see you next time.
Siza kubonana kwixesha elizayo.
So I just think this is a great starting point for the students to learn these phrases so they get familiar with the materials. And that means that every animation that follows this structure could be much more easily digested. I hope you have fun with the materials. We love your feedback and we'll see you soon.